This is kind of a cool little street right here. So we're gonna go down this one. This is called Travessa de Codorniz. Codorniz. You got this kind of cool looking stuff down here too. Okay, look at that. So cool. Okay, we're gonna be going down this one. Chiquinha. Chiquinha. Let's go check out the room. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so Travessa de Codorniz. It's like a little alley. Looks like they're parking their bikes here. They must bring them right up here. We're definitely gonna hello. We're definitely gonna walk down this in a second. And before we do, just gonna show you this view right here, so you can see. Show not anybody's way. So this is like a parking space right here. People can park between these two spaces. So look how cool this is. It goes all the way down like that, then it goes up like that, and then it just keeps. There's a little stairs that keep going higher and higher and higher. It's amazing. But we're gonna be focusing on this street right here. Man, this is such a cool looking area. Check out those buildings. Okay, let's get out of the way. So we're gonna be getting straight into here. There's our street. So here's where the motorbikes come up this way, come up this ramp. It looks like just a little alley. Mostly parking. Mango house. Looks like there's a store front right here too. It's a simple little alley, but it looks kind of cool. So fixing stuff. So yeah, actually there's like storefronts all in here. So we'll go all the way to the end. And we'll turn around. It's cool. Looks like we can't go any further here. So this is the end of our street. We're still Travessa da Codorniz. There it is right there again. So yeah, there's these little, what do they call it? Travessa? Little Travessas. We'll just come back out again. Some businesses in this little Travessa. Residential. And a balcony. Balconies. Laundry. All right. So we left our shoes there. Guess that's okay. And we'll end it right here. Cool street.